Good day, my YouTube family. I greet you all. Welcome to this episode. It's so unfortunate that this week I could not do the day-to-day video, because I was not consistently on the chat this week. I was busy. I was very busy this week. I had too many things to do, so I was not, I was not steady on the chat. So I was not able to record everything just like I used to do it. But as usual, I take my trades, my setups, I took 4 trades this week. It was so heartbreaking that all the 4 trades I took this week was a loss. All four of them. 4 trades, 4 losses, and when we started this week, I was at break even. My account was at break even. So right now I'm down 4%. Like, this is crazy, down 4%, you know, this week alone. Based on how I trade, it was supposed to be 3%. But because I don't have capital in my personal account that I used to trade on Fridays, so I decided to take a trade on the Profirm account, which also ended up in a loss. Even on Monday, the trade I took in my personal account, was still a loss. So total of everything this week, it was 5 losses, 5 straight losses. It was crazy. And from after reviewing my trades from Monday to Friday trades, after reviewing everything today, I saw that all the 5 trades was a messed up trades. All of them was messed up. On a normal, I was not supposed to take any of those trades. Any of them. Not even one. I was not supposed to take any. And after reviewing this trade, I was wondering, how come? How did I take this trade? How did I arrive to take this kind of setup? But it's just a mindset, something. When you are so desperate, you are eager to take a trade, everything will start making sense in your eye, until you hit that loss. That's when your eye will clear and you will understand that there's no setup there. The 5 trades I took this week was mess. All of them from A to Z. It was a total mess. Not even one. So when I reviewed those trades, I now saw my setups. All of them. I now saw my setup. And this is crazy how the market will just come, stop. I will put the screenshots. The market will just come, stop me out. Just come to my point of interest where I entered the trade. It will just blow off. No reaction, nothing. When I was looking at this trade today, I was like, what was I doing? Am I the one that took this trade? Because this is nowhere near my setups. So, and these trades, I took all of them in London session. So now I've made a decision. I've added it to my rules too. I will stop trading London sessions for now, because I think that London session of 18 is also, kind of affecting me. Now I'll just calm down and allow London session to play out. I've also set the time and everything. I will only come to my charts by 12:30, So that is when I will start looking for setup. By then, if there is news, when I see my setup, if there is news, because news normally come out by 1:30, 1 o'clock. So if there is news and I saw any setup, the news will play out and I'll see what the market, is printing before I can now make my decision. But let me just try it and see how it goes, because this strategy that I'm using now, I've not gotten the kind of win rate. The kind of win rate I've gotten with this strategy, I've not gotten it with any other strategy before. So I'm sticking with this one. I am not changing anything. If I'm changing anything, it's just refining it. You know, that is all. I'm not leaving this strategy for anything again. This is where I'm going to stay. Keep on refining it until everything click for me. So on my profit my account now, I'm down 4%, but I still believe I'm going to pass this profit, because on Wednesday, I took a trade and it stopped me at a loss. But today, as I was reviewing the trade, my normal setup plays out, and that trade was supposed to give me 1:7.5. 1:7.5. On Thursday, I had a trade set up on BTC, but the trade did not trigger me, and the trade was 1:9. So this strategy is giving me high risk to reward. That is why I'm sticking with it. If I could catch even as low as 1:3, 1:4, you can see that if I could catch 1:4, now I'm already at break even. If I catch 1:3, I'm just 1% down. So I'm sticking with this one. No more. I'm not changing anything. I'm not changing shit. So I'll add the screenshot of the trades. I took the 4 of them. So, and once again, I apologize to you guys because I was not able to do the day-to-day video thing. So, but next week we're going to do it as usual, how we normally do it. So this is where I'm going to end the video for today. I wish you guys a happy weekend. Stay cool, stay calm. Remember your trading plan. Review your trades, the trade that you have taken this week. Review them. Make sure you arrange 1 or 2 things, put things together before we head into next week. Okay? I'm wishing you guys a happy weekend and also a profitable week ahead.